Customers around the world are raving about the Kingston Fury Renegade G5 SSD. Simon Says from Germany calls it a solid drive with an efficient controller, praising its low temps and stable data rates, even without extra cooling. In Sweden, B. Daniel says, slow does not exist anymore. Data goes vroom with this baby. From France, Neil Vincent highlights the top-tier performance when paired with Kingston memory, while another reviewer notes it doesn't heat up much. And Cyberwolf in the UK sums it up perfectly. Outstanding performance. It stays cool, doesn't throttle, and runs lightning fast. I'd recommend it over any other Gen 5 competitor. With feedback like this, it's clear. Whether you're gaming, creating, or pushing your system to the limit, the Kingston Fury Renegade G5 delivers next-level speed and reliability that reviewers trust.